Buying Sanshu Inu on Guardarian.com is simple and secure. From the drop-down menu, select the currency, and find Sanshu Inu in the cryptocurrencies list below. Then enter the amount you wish to spend. Please pay attention to the minimum amount available for your exchange. Guardarian has a fixed fiat currency fee and does not charge you with additional or hidden fees. The expected exchange rate is the rate at the moment of calculation. Please note, depending on market volatility, the final amount can be changed. Ensure you have read the terms and conditions and press the button to continue. Fill in your wallet address and email, and hit Set Details. Write your phone number for SMS verification. Guardarian will never call you. Stay safe. The following step is a quick and easy verification of your identity. Take a picture of your preferred document type. And let's move to a facial check. Turn on your camera, place your face within the frame and roll the head in a circular motion. The status will automatically update once the verification is completed. Finally, you need to fill in your payment card information. Do carefully check all the details before processing the payment. The exchange will be performed immediately after we receive payment.